Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Milwaukee toolbox is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any professional tradesperson or dedicated DIY enthusiast, offering unparalleled organization, durability, and portability for your valuable tools, ensuring that everything you need is readily accessible and protected, no matter where your work takes you. Number 5. Milwaukee PACKOUT Rolling Toolbox. Meet the ultimate solution for your tools. This rolling toolbox is designed for maximum portability and organization. Engineered for durability, it can withstand tough conditions. Transport your gear with confidence, no matter where the job takes you. It's part of a versatile modular system. Easily connected with other PACKOUT components to create a customized storage setup. Featuring robust wheels and an extendable handle, moving your tools has never been easier. Get to your workspace quickly and efficiently. Keep everything in its place with its spacious interior and thoughtful compartments. Find what you need, when you need it. This rolling toolbox is compatible with other key pieces in the PACKOUT system. Expand your storage capabilities seamlessly. What we like. This is the ultimate organizer for any professional. Its modular design allows you to customize your storage to fit any job. If you need a versatile and expandable tool storage solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The toolbox is very durable and well constructed, with sturdy latches that keep it securely closed. It has a good amount of storage space, with multiple compartments and drawers that help keep tools organized. The design is practical and user-friendly, making it easy to access and transport tools. Number 4. Milwaukee 106-piece SAE Ratchet and Socket Set. Introducing the Milwaukee 106-piece ratchet and socket set, designed for durability and versatility. This comprehensive set covers both SAE and sizes, making it perfect for any job. Crafted from tough polycarbonate, this tool is built to withstand demanding use. Its durable construction ensures it will be a reliable part of your toolkit for years to come. With 106 pieces ranging from 1/4 to 3/8 inch, you'll have the right socket for virtually any application. It includes hex, flat, and fixed square heads for maximum adaptability. Experience smooth and efficient operation thanks to its reliable mechanical ratchet mechanism. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to tackle tasks with confidence. Trust in the quality that comes with the Milwaukee brand. Known for their commitment to excellence, this set delivers the performance and reliability you expect from their tools. What we like. This comprehensive set covers all your needs for various tasks. With 106 pieces in both SAE and you'll always have the right socket. If you're looking for a complete and reliable socket set that fits seamlessly into your existing Milwaukee storage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The toolbox is very sturdy and well-built, with reinforced corners and heavy-duty latches. It has a good amount of storage space, with multiple compartments and drawers that keep tools organized. The telescoping handle and wheels make it easy to transport, even when fully loaded. Number 3. Milwaukee PACKOUT 10 Compact Toolbox. Introducing the Milwaukee PACKOUT 10 Compact Toolbox. Its innovative design features a storable carrying handle for maximum practicality and compactness, perfect for any job site. Constructed with high-impact polymers and reinforced metal corners, this toolbox is built to withstand the harshest environments. Its reinforced construction ensures exceptional strength and durability. Easily connected to any other PACKOUT component with the integrated locking clips. This creates a modular and efficient storage solution for all your tools. Transport your gear with ease thanks to the retractable extension handle and 9-inch off-road wheels. It's designed for easy mobility, even on the toughest terrain. Keep your tools safe and ready for anything with its IP65 seal. It provides unbeatable protection against water and debris, ensuring your equipment stays in top condition. What we like. This compact toolbox is built to last and designed for convenience. Its reinforced construction and quick connect system make it ideal for tough jobs. If you need a durable, easy-to-transport toolbox that integrates with a larger system, this is a great option for on-the-go professionals. What people say. The toolbox is very durable and well constructed, making it a reliable choice for storing and transporting tools. It features a spacious interior with multiple compartments, allowing for organized storage of various tools and accessories. The heavy-duty latches and reinforced corners ensure the security and protection of the tools inside, even in demanding work environments. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3 Tool Combo Kit. Introducing the M18 Fuel 3 Tool Combo Kit from Milwaukee. Experience the pinnacle of cordless performance and efficiency for your toughest jobs. Powered by our advanced brushless motor technology, this kit delivers exceptional power and runtime. You'll get more done with less effort. Equipped with two 5.0 Ah batteries, you'll have the endurance to tackle demanding applications. Keep working without constant interruptions for charging. This kit includes the innovative PACKOUT rolling toolbox. Keep all your essential tools organized, protected, and easily transportable wherever you go. Designed for the demands of professional trades, this combo kit offers unmatched durability and performance. It's the reliable solution you need. Elevate your productivity with this comprehensive 3-tool combo. It's the perfect addition to any serious contractor's or DIYer's arsenal. What we like. Get powerful performance and convenient storage all in one package. This kit provides the essential tools you need for a wide range of applications, plus a rolling PACKOUT box to keep them organized. If you're looking to upgrade your cordless tool collection with high-performance M18 fuel tools and integrated storage, this combo kit is a fantastic value. What people say. The Milwaukee 27-inch 5-drawer rolling tool chest is a sturdy and well-built unit. The drawers glide smoothly and hold a good amount of tools. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to use. It's a great addition to any workshop. I love the design of this tool chest. The red powder-coated finish is durable and looks great. The drawers are deep enough to store larger tools, and the top lid provides extra storage space. The casters roll smoothly, making it easy to move around the garage. Number 1. Milwaukee 2648-20 M18 Random Orbit Sander. Meet the latest innovation from Milwaukee Electric Tools. This tool is designed to meet your specific needs. Experience unparalleled ease of use with this powerful sander. Achieve professional-grade finishes with minimal effort. The M18 Random Orbit Sander delivers consistent performance for all your sanding tasks. Its design ensures accuracy and control. Crafted by Milwaukee Electric Tools, this sander is built to last. It's the reliable choice for any project. This tool makes tough jobs easier. Its intuitive operation means you can focus on getting the work done efficiently. What we like. Achieve smooth finishes with this powerful and user-friendly sander. Its M18 fuel technology ensures efficient and consistent performance. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable and easy-to-operate random orbit sander for your woodworking projects, this tool is a solid investment. What people say. The toolbox is very durable and well constructed, making it suitable for heavy-duty use. It has a good amount of storage space with multiple compartments, allowing for organized storage of various tools. The latches are secure and easy to operate, ensuring that the contents remain safely inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.